Buying a home is supposed to be the ultimate financial move. But what if the biggest investment of your life is also one of the easiest to miscalculate? Imagine two people earning the same salary. One rents for $2,000 a month. The other buys a $400,000 house with a mortgage. At first, buying looks smarter. The owner is building equity. The renter is throwing money away. But the real math is much less comfortable. That $400,000 house might require an $80,000 down payment. Then come mortgage interest, property taxes, insurance, maintenance, repairs, and closing costs. Over 30 years, the mortgage alone can turn a $400,000 purchase into hundreds of thousands more. Now, consider the renter. They don't build home equity, true, but they also don't need $80,000 locked inside four walls. If that money and the difference between their rent and the owner's total monthly cost is invested instead, it can compound for decades. This is the part people often miss.